How would you like to make money with affiliate marketing and ChatGPT? Check it out. In this specific income stream, we've earned over $27,425. This income stream over $4,000. This income stream over $26,000. This specific income stream over $27,000 using and leveraging AI and ChatGPT. If you're looking forward to the content within this video, go ahead, drop the video like, subscribe to the channel, and tick that bell icon, because on this channel, we talk about proven ways to create passive income leveraging the affiliate marketing business model. So in this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step and click-by-click how to use ChatGPT with affiliate marketing to start generating income online. It's going to be very, very exciting. You're going to need two specific tools within this video to make it happen. So let's go ahead. Let's run through this from complete scratch. So the first thing that we need to acknowledge is, what is it that we will be promoting? So I showed you some various income streams in the first part of this video. And what we're going to be able to do is share one affiliate link and earn from all those income streams. So the first thing that you're going to need is multiple income funnel. That will be step one in the description below. Once you get access to multiple income funnel, what you'll do is you'll watch step one, join the Facebook group. Then you'll watch step two. Of course, the video is right below right here. And within step two, you have sub-steps. You have step one right here, which is setting up the multiple income funnel affiliate link in the actual system right here. Once you do that, you're going to continue to step two, which is setting up this income stream. Again, make sure you watch this video, set up this income stream. Then you have step three. You'll do the same thing. Watch this video, set up this income stream, and the same thing with step four. Once you have all your income streams set up, you're going to be able to share your affiliate link, which I'll show you in just a second. And when you do that and people come through this process and set up each of their income streams, you, my friend, will earn a commission. And that's exactly how I've been able to make multiple commissions from these multiple products using and leveraging this specific system known as multiple income funnel. It's far better to be able to share one affiliate link and earn from multiple income streams than to go out there and maybe share a ClickBank affiliate link and only earn one commission from one product. So you're able to put in the same amount of work that you would in like promoting a ClickBank product or a standalone affiliate product and make 5, even 10 times as much while helping people in the process. So after you complete step two and you set up all your income streams, you're going to complete step three, and then you're going to complete step four right here. Once you do that, let's go ahead and acknowledge where your affiliate link is at. Your affiliate link is going to be over here in the link section, and you've got two of them right here. What you're going to want to do is take note of both of these. Go ahead, save them to a safe place on your desktop or on your laptop so we can use them here in just a second. So again, the first tool you're going to need is multiple income funnel. The second tool that you're going to need to use is My Lead Gen Secret. Well, why do we need this? Because we need to get website visitors to your affiliate links right here. And the key to success online with affiliate marketing is to get as many quality people clicking your affiliate links as possible. There's different ways that you can do that. You can leverage YouTube content like this. You can leverage TikTok content. You can leverage Instagram, Facebook, blogging, etc., etc. Now, those are all free advertising strategies, and they take time to build up. They take roughly 30, 60, even 90 days to start generating results. Well, we want to get results out of the gate. So what we want to leverage is paid advertising. In other words, you pay to have website visitors come to your affiliate links, and you start getting leads and sales a lot faster. So you're paying with your money versus your time in this case. And that's why we want to go ahead and we want to get My Lead Gen Secret as step two. So step one, you have multiple income funnel. set up your affiliate income streams. Then step 2, get my lead gen secret. And we're going to use this to drive paid traffic to our affiliate links. They're actually going to send you 100 qualified leads every single day. And you can email these leads your affiliate link to multiple income funnel. So you're going to go ahead and you're going to click on step 2 below. You're going to get my lead gen secret. Once you do that, you're going to go ahead and you're going to log in right here. Click on log into my account. And then you're going to go over here to create a message. Now right here, this is where we're going to use ChatGPT. So we're going to go over to ChatGPT and we're going to ask ChatGPT to write an email for us. And we want to do this in the right way. We want to understand exactly what multiple income funnel actually is. It's a system that has many different income streams within it, and the system sells these income streams on our behalf. So what I did here is I said, hey, ChatGPT, can you write me 5 unique emails that sell a make money online offer that's about making multiple streams of income from one affiliate link? And you guys can reword this how you want to. And it said, sure, here are 5 email samples for selling a make money online offer that's making multiple streams of income from one affiliate link. We got 5 different variations. We can pick just one of these, or we can simply just blend them together. So we're going to be super on purpose. This is not scripted whatsoever. So let's go ahead. Let's check out email 1, subject line, make money online, generate multiple streams of income with one affiliate link. I kind of like this. I think what we're going to do though, is let's shorten this up and make it more appealing. So we can, again, edit each of these emails, combine them together. And this should give you some sort of know-how knowledge on exactly what you should do for your specific email as well. So we're going to copy this over and we're going to go over here, select all. And if you guys want to copy exactly what I'm doing, you can feel free to do that as well. We're going to go down here to the subject line. We're going to go ahead and paste this exact subject. And then we're going to jump back over to ChatGPT. And let's go ahead and let's copy this bit right here. Let's copy it over to my lead gen secret. We're going to delete this right here. We're going to go ahead and paste. And it says, hey there, are you tired of struggling to make money online? What we're going to do is we want to make some edits here because the spam filters can detect make money and deliverability won't be as good. So what we're going to do is we're going to change this up a bit. Are you tired of struggling to bring in income online? And then we're just going to delete this part. I have some exciting news for you. We're going to delete this too as well. We want this to be more to the point, matter of fact, just like kind of how a doctor would speak. So I just discovered a powerful method that allows you to create multiple streams of income from a single affiliate link. With this method, you can promote multiple products and services and earn commissions on each sale. It's an easy and effective way to diversify your income and increase your earning potential. I love this. To learn more about this amazing opportunity, click on the link below and join our exclusive program today. I'm just going to click the link here. And then we're going to do ... I actually want to just capitalize a little bit. I'm going to put go through here now. Looking forward to seeing you on the inside. And then best regards. I'm going to just put my name right here, Josh. Okay, so we changed this up a little bit. And what we can do is for our next email, we can just simply go to email 2. And our email after that, email 3, email 4. And again, you could do this one by one, day by day. Throw it into MLGS, send it out with your capture page link from multiple income funnel and do it that way. Or you can just make this even more defined through ChatGPT. ChatGPT is as good as the questions that you ask it. So I can even say, can you take a combination of these emails and create one email that's short and concise and speak like a doctor would speak, or speak using a matter-of-fact voice, there's a lot of cool things that you could do. Nonetheless, just wanted to give you guys some ideas here. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to jump over here, we're going to copy this capture page link right here, and people will go through this link, they'll enter their email address, and when they join all the multiple income streams, you, my friend, are getting a commission. And this is just simply what I do every single day. So we're going to go ahead and highlight this. We're going to go ahead and click here to hyperlink this. We're going to paste, and then our affiliate link here. We're going to click on OK. Perfect timing, and then send email, and we are good to go. We are well on our way to making affiliate commissions online, leveraging multiple income funnel and ChatGPT. Now, I've got a full playlist that you can check out in the description below as well that expands on what I taught you today. I show you everything that I'm doing from complete scratch. I allow you to copy my YouTube videos. I allow you to copy my funnels and everything in between. It's super cool. So jump in the description, check out that playlist after you get this part set up. That will be step 3. And then of course, step 4, if you want access to this whole entire series through email, that will be in the description below as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you got value from it. Like, comment, subscribe, check the resources below, and we will see you in the next video. Take care.